Hello everybody, how are you? Fine? Excellent! Today we are going to continue practicing spelling. Here we go. Open your book to page 35, Phonology, Lesson 3. Okay, listen. Listen and point to the word in your book. Listen and number. Say the missing word. Listen and pronounce. Okay, ready? Yes? Here we go.
Lesson 3. The words you will hear are not necessarily in the same order as the ones in the book. Watch out for the missing word. Visors. Visors. Burrows. Burrows. Squeeze. Squeeze. Surface. Surface. Capsule. Capsule. Somersault. Somersault. Overshoes. Overshoes. Astronauts. Astronauts. Oxygen. Oxygen. Hoses. Hoses. Flash. Flash.
Okay, excellent. The missing word is lunar. Excellent, very good. Okay, please continue practicing this word list. And if you have any questions, let me know by email or by platform. And remember, you can do it. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Bye bye.